take this, flip this up, put this on here like this, put that in there like that, lock it. When I do this one, I'm down by that much, and when I do the other one, this one, I take this off, and I do this one this way, and then it will be down by the difference between those two. There are lots of things like this that you can do with these different things to get this to be wherever you want it to be repeatable. Okay. A couple things that are going to come on. Okay. That way, when I put this down, I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to go like that. My bottoms are together, my tops are together, my fronts are together, and my outsides are both down. Okay? I'm going to mark off what I have to mark off. I will mark it off on the front edge. So if I was going to put a shelf like, say, here, I'm going to line this up and I'm going to transfer this line over here like this. If I'm using the combination square, I'm going to pull these apart and I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to go like that. What that does for me is at the front, it's right. If my combination square is off at all, the back will be slightly off, but because I went like this and went like that, they'll be equally off in the same direction. If I do this and then do this, they're going to be off in the opposite direction. So as much as you can, you're going to do that. Okay? Now my shelf that's going to go in between here. I need to mark the top and the face. When I do this, if I'm going to do this, I need to make sure that the face is in line with the face there. So when I go in, I'm correct. And then when I do this one, I need to do this. If you do anything else, if you do this, when you put your shelf in, it's going to be like this. You need to keep this top up and the face to the face. Then when I spin this around,
face with face.
Face to face. So then when these stand up,
Face.
Face to face, out, top, 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 face, this thing ends up where it needs to be and not off in any way. It seems like it's easy to do until you get a cabinet with a whole bunch of things going sideways, vertical, dividers. It's a mind game. You gotta like keep everything organized, spin things around on the table, clear the whole table off. If you start just like working like this, where you're doing this and pulling parts up, you're gonna get screwed up. You clear the table off, you get everything set up, you mark all the parts, and then you organize moving around like this. Because there'll be a lot of things that you gotta go through. People do dividers, people do it from this side, and then from that side, and then the divider is in there at an angle. Yeah, all crooked, and no way to fix it.